Session plan is the most important part for any teacher. We need our session plan to be split into 6 parts. What do you want to have happened by the end of the training? Do you need a goal? What do you want your students to learn? How will it be broken down? Break down your goals into smart objectives, and your learners will be able to do this or they'll be able to do that. How much time do you have? And this will influence how much depth you can go into and whether you can achieve it in multiple sessions or you can do it in just the one. How much time do you have? How will you deliver? How is delivery going to be managed? Are you going to be doing a formal lecture? You're doing group work? You're doing good research? How is the format and how are the activities going to happen? How can you measure success? You need to throw an assessment in there as well. If you don't assess, you don't know if learning has actually taken part. You need to throw in an assessment. Was your learning effective? The teaching cycle is all about continuous improvement. What went right? What went wrong? What could we do better next time?